Hey everyone, welcome back to SpanishBuddy. I'm Sophia, and today we're talking about one of the most exciting parts of learning Spanish, ordering food in Spanish like a real local.
And I'm Carlos.
Honestly, food conversations are some of the first real-life situations people experience when traveling or speaking Spanish. Exactly. And let's be honest, ordering food can feel stressful at first. You finally get to the counter and suddenly your brain forgets every Spanish word you've ever learned.
That happened to me once in Madrid. I practiced my order for 10 minutes, then accidentally asked for 2 coffees and 1 spoon instead of 1 soup.
That's actually pretty impressive. At least you got coffee.
True, and mistakes like that are part of learning. Native speakers usually appreciate the effort when you try speaking Spanish.
Today will help you feel more confident in restaurants, cafes, food trucks, bakeries, and even casual street food situations.
We'll practice how to greet restaurant workers, ask for food politely, understand simple menu questions, and sound more natural during conversations.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to order drinks, meals, snacks, desserts, and ask for the bill in Spanish without panicking.
We'll also teach you the difference between textbook Spanish and the kind of Spanish native speakers actually use in restaurants.
And don't worry if you're shy. This lesson is designed for beginners, so we'll go slowly and practice together step by step.
Have you ever tried ordering food in Spanish before? Maybe during a trip or while practicing online? Tell us in the comments because we'd love to hear your stories.
And if you enjoy real-life Spanish lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy for more practical Spanish conversations every week.
All right, let's head straight into today's lesson and start ordering food in Spanish.
Let's begin with the most basic structure you need for ordering food in Spanish.
The easiest pattern is greeting plus request plus polite word.
Here's a simple example. Hola, quiero un café, por favor. Hello, I want a coffee, please.
Pronunciation: Hola, quiero un café, por favor.
Repeat after me. Hola, quiero un café, por favor.
Great job. Now let's break it down.
Quiero means I want,
Un café means a coffee.
and por favor means please.
Here are more examples you can use immediately.
Quiero una pizza. I want a pizza.
Quiero agua. I want water.
Quiero una hamburguesa. I want a hamburger. Repeat after me. Quiero agua. Quiero una pizza. Quiero una hamburguesa. Now let's learn a more polite version.
Instead of quiero, you can say quisiera. That means I would like.
It sounds softer and more natural in restaurants.
Example, quisiera un café. I would like a coffee.
Pronunciation. Quisiera.
Repeat after me. Quisiera un café.
Another super useful phrase is para mí. For me.
Example, una pizza para mí. A pizza for me.
Imagine you're at a cafe with friends.
The waiter asks, ¿Qué desean? What would you like?
And you answer, Quisiera un té, por favor. I'd like a tea, please.
Here's another important question. ¿Qué recomienda? What do you recommend?
Pronunciation. ¿Qué recomienda?
That's a great phrase when you don't know what to order.
Now let's practice restaurant greetings. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon.
Hola. Hello.
Buenas noches. Good evening.
Native speakers almost always greet restaurant workers before ordering.
It sounds warmer and more respectful.
Let's do a mini conversation.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Qué desea?
Good afternoon. What would you like?
Quisiera tacos y agua, por favor.
I'd like tacos and water, please.
Perfect beginner conversation.
Here's another useful word. La cuenta. The bill or check.
Example,
La cuenta, por favor.
the bill, please.
Repeat after me. La cuenta, por favor.
Pronunciation, la cuenta, por favor.
Let's learn how to say I don't want.
No quiero. I don't want.
Example. No quiero azúcar. I don't want sugar.
Repeat after me.
No quiero azúcar.
Can you say this in Spanish? I would like water, please.
The answer is, quisiera agua, por favor.
Excellent.
Remember, restaurant Spanish doesn't need to be perfect. Simple and polite works very well.
And speaking out loud helps you remember faster.
Quick summary.
Quiero means I want. Quisiera means I would like. La cuenta means the bill. Great job so far.
You're already learning real Spanish you can use today.
Now let's move into real restaurant conversations and natural speaking situations.
This is where things start sounding more like real daily Spanish.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant in Mexico or Spain.
The worker might say, Hola, ¿para cuántas personas? Hello, for how many people?
You could answer, para dos, for 2.
Repeat after me. Para dos.
Another common question is, ¿qué van a tomar?
What are you going to drink?
Tomar literally means to drink in this situation.
Example response. Voy a tomar una Coca-Cola.
I'm going to drink a Coca-Cola.
Or simply, agua, por favor.
Native speakers often use short answers in restaurants.
Textbook Spanish can sound too long sometimes.
For example, textbooks might teach, quisiera ordenar una bebida.
But many native speakers simply say, un café, por favor.
Short, simple, natural.
Let's compare formal and informal restaurant speech.
Formal. Quisiera una mesa, por favor. I would like a table, please.
Informal. ¿Tienen mesa? Do you have a table?
Both are correct, but the second sounds more casual.
Let's practice a restaurant dialogue.
Hola, buenas noches.
Buenas noches. ¿Mesa para dos?
Sí, por favor.
Here's the menu.
Gracias.
¿Qué desean tomar?
Quisiera un jugo de naranja. I'd like an orange juice.
Pronunciation. Jugo de naranja.
Let's learn useful food words.
Pollo. Chicken.
Carne, meat.
Pescado. Fish.
Arroz, rice.
Repeat after me. Pollo, carne, pescado, arroz.
Here's a useful tip. First, greet politely.
Second, keep your order simple.
Third, don't panic if you miss a word.
Native speakers usually understand from context.
Imagine ordering street food.
You might say, dos tacos, por favor. 2 tacos, please.
Or sin cebolla, without onion.
Pronunciation, sin cebolla.
Repeat after me. Sin cebolla.
Let's do another real-life dialogue.
Hola, ¿qué recomienda?
Los tacos son muy populares. The tacos are very popular.
Perfecto. Quisiera tacos y una bebida.
Excelente elección. Excellent choice.
We'd love to hear your favorite food in Spanish. Try writing it in the comments.
And remember, confidence grows every time you order something successfully.
Repeat after me. ¿Qué recomienda? La cuenta, por favor. Una mesa para dos.
Excellent work. Those are very real and useful restaurant expressions.
All right, now let's focus on sounding more natural and confident in everyday food situations.
This includes cafes, bakeries, fast food places, airports, and even texting friends about food.
Imagine you're at a bakery in the morning.
You walk in and say, Buenos días.
The worker asks, ¿Qué desea?
You answer,
Quisiera un café y un pan. I'd like a coffee and bread.
Pronunciation, pan.
Let's practice slowly. Quisiera un café y un pan.
Great job!
Now let's practice asking for recommendations naturally.
¿Cuál es la especialidad? What's the specialty?
Pronunciation, ¿Cuál es la especialidad?
Repeat after me. ¿Cuál es la especialidad?
Another useful phrase, ¿Tiene opciones vegetarianas? Do you have vegetarian options?
That's super useful while traveling.
Let's practice ordering casually with friends.
¿Qué vas a pedir? What are you going to order?
Voy a pedir pizza. I'm going to order pizza.
Native speakers often shorten conversations like this.
Instead of perfect grammar, they focus on communication.
Here's a WhatsApp-style food conversation.
Vamos por tacos? Want to go get tacos?
Sí, tengo hambre. Yes, I'm hungry.
Pronunciation, hombre.
Repeat after me. Tengo hambre.
Let's practice polite restaurant tone.
Don't sound too aggressive when saying quiero.
Use a friendly voice and smile.
Or soften it with quisiera.
Here's slow pronunciation practice.
La cuenta, por favor.
La cuenta, por favor.
¿Qué recomienda?
¿Qué recomienda?
Quisiera una pizza.
Quisiera una pizza.
Let's do a short listening style dialogue.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Qué desea?
Quisiera una hamburguesa y papas fritas. I'd like a hamburger and fries.
¿Algo más? Anything else?
No gracias.
Perfect conversation.
Another useful phrase is para llevar, to go or take away.
Repeat after me. Para llevar.
Pronunciation, para llevar.
And if you're eating there, para comer aquí, to eat here.
Excellent work today.
You're building practical Spanish for real daily situations. Quick review. Quisiera means I would like. La cuenta means the bill. Para llevar means to go. Let's talk about common mistakes learners make while ordering food in Spanish.
Trust us, everybody makes these mistakes at first.
One common problem is translating directly from English. For example, learners sometimes say, quiero comer un café. But comer means to eat, not to drink. Correct version, quiero tomar un café. I want to drink a coffee. Another common mistake is pronunciation. Many learners pronounce pollo incorrectly. The double L in Spanish often sounds like Y. So pollo sounds like pollo. Repeat after me. Pollo.
Another mistake is forgetting polite phrases.
If you only say agua, it can sound too direct.
More natural, agua por favor.
Or quisiera agua.
Here's another funny mistake.
Some learners confuse estoy lleno, I'm full, with soy lleno, which sounds strange because soy is for permanent identity.
Correct. Estoy lleno. I'm full.
Mistakes happen because English and Spanish organize ideas differently.
That's completely normal during language learning.
Here's another wrong versus correct example.
Wrong. Yo quiero una mesa, por favor. Gracias.
Correct. Quisiera una mesa, por favor.
Shorter often sounds more natural.
Another pronunciation correction? Hamburguesa.
Pronunciation? Hamburguesa.
Repeat after me. Hamburguesa.
Practice prompt time.
How do you say, I would like tacos?
Quisiera tacos.
Great. Now say, the bill, please.
La cuenta, por favor.
Excellent.
Remember, restaurant conversations don't need perfect grammar.
Native speakers care more about understanding you than perfection.
So keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak.
Every small conversation helps your confidence grow.
Let's do a quick challenge activity. Choose the correct sentence.
Situation 1. You want water politely.
Option A. Quisiera agua, por favor.
Option B. Yo agua ahora.
Correct answer. Option A.
Because it sounds natural and polite.
Situation 2. You want the bill.
Option A. La cuenta, por favor.
Option B. Dinero ahora.
Correct answer. La cuenta, por favor.
Situation 3. You want food to go.
Option A,
Para llevar.
Option B. Comer camino.
Correct answer. Para llevar.
Situation 4. You ask for recommendations.
Option A. Que recomienda.
Option B. Tu comida buena.
Correct answer.
Que recomienda. Repeat after me. Quisiera una pizza.
La cuenta, por favor.
Para llevar.
excelente.
Now create your own simple restaurant sentence in Spanish.
Even something small like quisiera café.
Speaking out loud helps your brain remember faster.
Focus on communication, not perfection.
Great job today, everyone. We covered so many useful restaurant and food expressions in Spanish.
We learn how to order politely, ask for recommendations, request the bill, and sound more natural in daily conversations.
We also practice pronunciation, common mistakes, and real-life restaurant dialogues.
Remember these 3 important ideas. First, keep your sentences simple. Second, use polite phrases like por favor. Third, practice speaking out loud every day.
Little conversations build big confidence over time.
What food would you order first in Spanish?
Tell us in the comments, and also let us know what Spanish topic you want next on SpanishBuddy.
Maybe travel Spanish, cafe conversations, hotel check-ins, or making friends in Spanish.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy.
Keep practicing because every sentence brings you closer to fluency.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
See you next time.